Are you tired of seeing only top-level competitor traffic data? Learn to uncover their exact winning subfolders in under 2 minutes. First, we'll set up your Semrush project folders. Then, we'll drill into the traffic analytics to isolate subfolder performance and add competitors for comparison. Start by heading to Semrush Folders to keep your data organized. Then click on Traffic and Market to open the competitive analysis tools. Now, select Subfolders and Subdomains to drill down into the structural level of traffic. Take a moment to review this part. You'll see the breakdown of traffic by subfolder or subdomain.
Click on the highlighted area to select a specific subfolder.
Next, click Add Competitors to bring in the sites you want to compare. Finally, hit Analyze to generate the report. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.